Friends, this cat is very hardworking. It keeps digging all day long and slowly makes a big pond and fills it with water and releases a lot of fishes. Slowly the fishes grow big, but one day a rascal bear comes there and enters the pond and starts eating the fishes. Seeing this, the cat immediately comes there. The bear, being stronger, throws the cat on the ground. The cat immediately calls the police station and calls the police. The police comes. The cat tells the whole story to the police while crying. The police believe the cat and handcuff the bear and take him away. Have you not yet liked and subscribed